Hi. In this video, we will see how packing units of an item is defined in a flash. In the stock statement you can see packing units. In this example, we see here that for apron bolt, packing unit is not yet defined. Go to Edit an Item Master in Material Management. Click the link for Define Packing Unit. Enter apron bolt. We set packing unit as, for example, 50 per box. Click Update. That's it. If we check again in Stock in Hand report, packing unit apron bolt stock is updated as 2 boxes. simpliRP is the simplest way for material management. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.